Good day to everyone. Today we are going to learn in the topic addition and subtraction how to find the estimated sum and difference, as well how to perform addition and subtraction together. So let's start with the previous concept that we had learned, that is addition or subtraction, where 100, 10 or 1000 is involved. So at the end of the session, you will be able to add and subtract using 10, 100,000, and you will be able to add and subtract the numbers combined together. Also, how to find the estimated sum and difference. So let's start. Let's see for subtracting 10, 100 and thousands. Subtracting by 10. If, say, a number needs to be subtracted by 10 without perform actual subtraction, how we can result to the direct difference? We will first arrange the numbers according to the place value chart. As you can see here, 6 ones minus 0 ones is of course 0, that is 6 itself. We have 4 minus 1, that is 3. Whereas the other all remains the same, the numbers. So here we learn that if we subtract any number by 10, the tens place will be reduced by 1. In the similar way, when we subtract by 100, absolutely right, there will be reduction in the hundreds place by 1. So the answer would be 30 lakhs, 13,146. Similar way, if we subtract by 1000, you'll find that the reduction in thousands place will be as 3 minus 1 would be 2, and other all numbers would remain as the same. So in this we learned that how subtraction process is continued. Let's move further if we have combination of addition and subtraction together. Say, take an example. 2 crore 4 lakhs 13,734 plus 1 crore 69 lakhs 42,170 minus 2 crore 25 lakhs 44,147. Seeing the bulk numbers, we need to first identify which operation to be performed first. Absolutely right. We'll start with first two numbers addition. So we'll add these two numbers, arranging in the place value chart. So adding them, we have the result as 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 7 is 10, 1 carried. We have hundreds place as 1 plus 7 plus 1 as 9, 3 plus 2 as 5, 1 plus 4 as 5, 4 plus 3 is 13. So 3 and 1 needs to be carried. Adding in the 10 lakhs place, 6 plus 1 plus 0 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So finally we have got the sum as 3 crore 73 lakhs 55,904. Now there is a partial answer to be found, that is the difference. Once we get the sum, we would be finding the difference. So henceforth, we will continue with the same sum that we have received, and we'll take another number that needs to be subtracted. So again, arranging in the order, we'll check with first, as we know, 4 minus 7 not possible, so we had borrowed. 14 minus 7, 7. 0 as it is already borrowed, so we have 10 minus 4, that is 6. And fourth, that is 8 minus 1 is 7. 5 minus 4 as 1, 5 minus 4 as 1. 3 cannot be, so we have to borrow. 13 minus 5 as 8. And it is since borrowed, so 7 would have been reduced to 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4 again. We have 3 minus 2, that's 1. So finally we say that the subtraction or the final answer that we have received once we have combined with addition and subtraction, we first perform the addition and then go ahead with the subtraction. So the final answer would be 1 crore 48 lakhs 11,768. So in this way, we have learned how to find the addition and subtraction as combined together. Now, as discussed earlier, we would be solving some examples to estimate the sum to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So here we have put forth some examples. The question arises, that is, what is estimation? Estimation is rounding up to the nearest or predicting a particular value. In case when you have the example say 14,736 plus 23,561 to be rounded up to nearest 10. So the first task is you will be round up each number individually. When I see 14,736, so when we round up, definitely the answer would be 14,740 since 36 is close to 40. So we will be writing that. Next number we have to round up again to nearest 10. So we have 23,561 rounded up to 23,560 as 1 is less than 5. Finally, we will be finding the estimated sum. So estimated sum, you will be taking the sum of the estimated numbers that we have received. 14,740 plus 23,560. When we add them up, if I have to add them up, orally, if you see 0 plus 0 is 0. We have 6 plus 4 as 10, 1 carry. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 is carried again. We have 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 is 8. And 1 plus 2 is, we have 3. So we have the final, that is the estimated sum as 38,300. In case of actual sum, we do the addition of 14,736 plus 23,561. It results to the addition, ones place we have 7, tens place we have 3 plus 6 as 9, 7 plus 5 as 12, where 1 is to be carried. We have 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2 plus 1 results to 3. So we have the actual sum as 38,297. If you notice both the answers, that sum which we have received, it's likely to connect itself that they are close. So this is what we are doing it, that is estimated sum. That is, you are adding the numbers where actual if it is asked, whereas if it is estimated, you will be adding the rounded off numbers. So similarly, let's move to addition with 100. That is nearest to 100. So 1,253 when rounded up to nearest 100, it will be 1,300 as 5 is larger. 2,563 would be 2,600. Adding them, estimated we have addition of 1,300 plus 2,600. Finally, we have the addition, that is the sum as 3,900. Let's try for the actual sum. That is the addition of 1,253 plus 2563. So we have the addition as 3 plus 3 is 6. We have 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carried. 2 plus 5 is, we have 7 plus 1, 8. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Again here 3816. Last, let's see for actual sum for nearest 1000. So 8025, when we round up to nearest 1000, it would be 8000. Quite simple. 7023 and 7000. So addition of them, when we do 8000 plus 7000, it results to 15,000. Where is the actual sum? 8025 plus 7023. This results to 15,448. So in this way, we have searched out how to find the actual sum and actual sum with the adding to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, as well finding the estimated sum for the same numbers. So in this, I end up the session. Thank you and have a nice day.